Welcome to The Courage to Write. I'm your host, Michelle Corbitt. Have you always wanted to write a book, but you've struggled with self-doubt and imposter syndrome? Or maybe even just figuring out where to start and outlining your story feels so overwhelming. Do you wish you knew how to self-publish or reach out to a publishing agency once you have written your books? Or are you simply so busy with motherhood and marriage and church and jobs and life that you can't seem to make any progress with your story at all? Well, you've come to the right place, and I'm so glad you're here. I've created this podcast because I know what it's like to think that you're wasting your time every time you sit down to tell your story. And I know what it's like to want to pour yourself into your project, but wonder in the back of your mind, who is going to want to read this and what would I even do with it when I'm finished? You're not alone. And you know that those thoughts are not serving you. Here on The Courage to Write, you will learn about how to successfully start and publish your books. You'll hear about everything from building confidence to start, to learning how to get organized, to pushing through with faith over fear, to editing, all the way to finishing and publishing your book. Even as a busy wife and mom. We have amazing interviews and guests, and I'm so excited about this opportunity to talk to you and to give you the resources that you need. Because I know that you have a story to tell, and I know that you want to make a difference in somebody else's life with your book. And when you're called to do something, that calling doesn't leave. So stick around. It's time to pull out that laptop and start writing.